Hey there. Today I'm diving into a game-changing advancement in paralysis recovery. Imagine this. Someone with a spinal cord injury regaining the ability to move, not just in a lab, but in real life. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's becoming a reality thanks to groundbreaking work in robotics and neuroprosthetics. Let me break it down. Spinal cord injuries often leave people with severe mobility issues. Traditional rehabilitation has its limits because robotic-assisted therapy alone doesn't fully retrain the nervous system. But a team at NeuroRestore, located in Switzerland, led by Grégoire Courtine and Jocelyn Bloch, is changing the game. They've developed a system that combines an implanted spinal cord neuroprosthesis with rehab robotics. This device delivers perfectly timed electrical pulses to stimulate muscles in sync with robotic movements. The result? Natural, coordinated muscle activity that feels like real movement. The magic happens with the help of Professor Orke Eispert's lab at EPFL, which specializes in robotics. The seamless integration of spinal cord stimulation with robotics means that patients not only improve their mobility instantly, but also make long-term gains. Think about it, a fully implanted spinal cord stimulator that mimics natural nerve signals. This is way more efficient than traditional methods and can work with various rehab devices like treadmills, exoskeletons, and bikes. Wireless sensors detect limb motion and adjust stimulation in real time, making the experience smooth and intuitive. In a study with 5 participants, this combo led to immediate and sustained muscle activation. Some even improved their voluntary movements after the stimulation was turned off. And guess what? This tech isn't just for the clinic. Participants used it to walk with a rollator and even cycle outdoors. This innovative approach offers new hope for those with spinal cord injuries. By making rehabilitation more dynamic and engaging, it could significantly boost recovery outcomes. Stay tuned as future clinical trials unfold, but for now, the initial results are incredibly promising. Thanks for watching. If you found this as inspiring as I did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating updates in science and technology.